Welcome to Patio Productions, where we transform outdoor spaces. Today, we're guiding you through the simple steps to hang string lights on your patio, adding a magical touch to your evenings. First, envision your design. Do you prefer a straight line, a zigzag pattern, or draped lines? Sketch it out to guide your process. Select weather-resistant string lights that complement your patio's ambiance. LED bulbs are energy-efficient and long-lasting. You'll need hooks or clips, a ladder, and possibly an extension cord, depending on your outlet location. Securely install hooks, nails, screws, or clips along your planned path. Ensure they're sturdy enough to hold the weight of the lights. Carefully hang your string lights. If your design includes drooping lines, allow a gentle sag for a relaxed effect. And voila! Your patio is now a cozy, illuminated retreat. For a written comprehensive guide on hanging string lights, check the description below this video. And don't forget to visit patioproductions.com for all your patio needs.